What is a mechanical ventilator? Let's understand it in 60 seconds. When a patient cannot breathe effectively on their own, their body struggles to maintain life-sustaining oxygen levels. This is a critical situation where the respiratory system requires immediate mechanical assistance.
A mechanical ventilator is a machine that helps or completely takes over a patient's breathing process. It delivers precise oxygen into the lungs and efficiently removes waste carbon dioxide. The machine controls air volume, breath speed, and the specific concentration of oxygen delivered.
In the ICU, ventilators provide essential life support when patients are under anesthesia or facing severe illness. Nurses play a vital role by monitoring settings and ensuring the patient remains stable during recovery. Mechanical ventilation is a bridge to health. Follow for more ICU basics.